Good evening, this is Ashish, session number 150038. Today I'm going to explain you of C++ program related to inheritance. The question is, write a menu-driven application to library management using C++ to demonstrate the concept of inheritance. Your application must contain the following functionalities. The following details must be there for each book. First, book title, book author, book number of copies, book availability, book edition, and book publisher. Then second question is, get the book details from the librarian, and the third one is that in the menu give option to borrow, return, and search option. Now I'm going to show you the program. So here's the program. So it starts with the header file, hash include IOStream, hash include CString. Then using namespace std. Then I have declared a class called book. In this I have declared the copies available and edition in int data type. Then title, author, and publisher in character data type, each having 50 size. Then I have declared a public access specifier. In this I have given as the first void get to get the details. In this cout will be given the first statement as enter the book title, enter the author of the book, then publisher name, then edition of the book, then number of copies, and the number of copies available. So second function I use the void show. In this title, author name, publisher name, edition of the book, number of copies available. So int I have given as one more function as int borrow count. In this available is equal to available minus 1 and return available. Then return count is available is equal to available plus 1. For finding int ch character keys of 100 size, then cin dot getLine key comma 100. Then if string compare of title comma key is equal to 100, then cout will be the book found and it will show. Then cout will be, then do you want to continue searching? Then cin will be ch and return ch. Now I'm declaring another class called librarian. In this I am given as in public I am giving as a new available book, a new available detail as integer data type, and borrow as a void. So new available is equal to borrow count, then cout will be the book has been successfully borrowed and it will be show. So for returning get then new available is equal to return count, then cout will be the book has been successfully returned, then it will show. Then in main function of integer data type I have declared as int ch comma stat. The stat is basically status of the book, whether it is available in library or not. So int and the librarian l. So character x is equal to y, then while x is equal to y, then cout will be are you admin or public. It will ask whether you are admin or public. If you are admin, then you have to press 1, and if you are user, then you have to press 2. So if stat is equal to 1, then cout will be welcome admin, and it will ask the enter the number of books you need to add in the database. So for in this I have given a condition as for int I is equal to 0, I less than and I plus plus, then cout will be the book number I plus 1 and l of I dot get. So for int I is equal to 0, I less than and I plus 1, then cout will be book number I plus 1 and l of I dot show. Else cout will be hello user, it will be for user. So in this I've given a statement as do you want to continue. Then for borrowing, return, and searching we have to press 1, 2, 3 simultaneously. So here I have used switch statement. In this I have given a first case for borrower, second case for return, and third case for searching. In searching I've used the condition as for int I is equal to 0, I less than and I plus plus, then int check is equal to l of I dot find, and if check is equal to 0, then break, and cout will do you want to continue and return 0. Now I'm going to build and run the program. So here's the output screen. It's asking are you admin or public. No, I'm going to ask first as admin, so I will press 1. It's welcome admin, enter the number of books you need to add in the database, so 2. Then it will ask the book details, so I'm giving as book number, title something, as then author name, then publisher name, enter the edition, 5th edition, 4 copies available. Simultaneously it will ask the detail for book number 2, then enter the edition, 4th edition, 4 copies. Then here is the book details for book number 1 and book number 2. So now it's asking do you want to continue. This yes, we have to press Y. Then are you admin or public, then press 2 for user. Enter the choice you want to continue, 1 for borrowing, 2nd for returning, and 3rd for searching. In this I will show for borrowing, so I'll press 1, borrow, enter the book title, I give it as book title, enter the author number book, I will give as the following details. publisher name, enter edition, 5th edition, number of copies 3, number of copies available 4. So here it is details that book title is Qwerty, the author name and publisher of the book, the edition of the book, the number of copies available. Do you want to complete? No, I will not want to. I'll press N. So